So let me tell you a funny story about this air filter. This is a newly designed Pacifica. Why do I know that? Because you own this. You're probably watching this video wondering why and how to do this. So don't pull up, push down, and pull out. I have to find the second screw because that's part of the funny story. The second part of the funny story is don't pull up all the way and loosen this guy up. You want to watch to the end. This is already loose, okay? Now the funny part of the story is I was squeezing this out and trying to put it in properly, and then I popped this right in my nose and made my nose bleed. Like that? So I'm going to show you how to do it properly without getting a nosebleed or losing a screw. Loosen that up. Makes life so much easier. See? You pull it out. Don't take it all the way off. And there you go. It won't come off anyway. It's got a little rubber on it. Now you got plenty of room. You see? Look. 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 So much easier, right? You got plenty of room. Now, one would think that you don't have to remove that. I'm going to say bullshit. Because what makes it so much easier is when you pull this back in, okay, you have a lip right here. This guy right here. So thank you, Chrysler. This will get caught in here if you don't have enough angle or room to play with this thing. So, why is this wet? I have no clue. But, not my problem. So you see this little lip? As you put it in, and if you don't have this rubber off, okay, so what I did was, with both hands, I squeezed this, okay? If you squeeze this, it gives you all the room to put it back properly in one shot. With no headaches, no losing screws, and definitely no nosebleeds. So, there you go. It gives you the room, you see? It fights. So you squeeze back and get it to sit properly. And now this is what I'm talking about. See how it's sitting crooked? It won't go back in because of this wonderful, wonderful lip right here. So both hands, you have to make sure this lip sits on. And to me, watch. See? It's still off. It gives you the room. And now you put this guy back on. See that? So much easier. No blood, no foul. And then use the same bolt or socket. Put this one back on. Make sure you plug this guy back in. And there you have it. Make sure the rubber lines up with this little notch. That little notch, so it's pushed in all the way. Then hit it with your socket. And there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.